Hi guys, how are you? And welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my WordPress website learning program. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to install a plugin or a theme in your website. If you want to install a plugin, you can get it from here wordpress.org/plugins. I have selected a classic editor plugin already. Just click on here download and it will be downloaded on your hard disk. And just on your website, just go to plugins and add a new. Click on add new. Click here on the upload plugin, just choose file and it will ask you where the location of your plugin. Just click on here and click on install now. It will tell you that the installation of the plugin has been done, and in install plugins you can click here and see that the classic editor plugin has been installed on your website. If you want to install a theme, just go to a theme and select add new and click on upload theme. Click on choose file button, and in here I have downloaded an Hello Elementor theme. Just double click on it and click on install, and here you can see that the theme has unpacked the plugin. The theme has been installed and theme has been installed successfully. Yeah, click here for a live preview or how will your website will look alive when this theme is activated. Here you can see this theme has been preview of this theme, and if you click here activate and publish, your website will have this theme activated, and you can see your website look and feel has been changed because this theme is now activated on your website. You can see this hello theme has been activated your website. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.